numericals. A hammer exerts force of 1.5 Newton on two nail A and B. The force is 1.5 Newton on two nails. Area of cross section of the tip of nail A. Nail A, I am calling A1. Nail B, area is A2. Are 2 millimeter square and 6 millimeter square. Calculate pressure on each in pascals. Very simple. Important is here unit conversion. What is 1 millimeter? Is it 10 raised to minus 3 meter? 1 millimeter? 10 raised to minus 3 meter? Okay. So 1 millimeter square will be 10 raised to minus 3 meter, the whole square. So can I say it is 10 raised to minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 meter square? Can I say like this? Hello? Yes. So area A1, which is 2 millimeter square, will be 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square, and area A2, 6 millimeter square, will be 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. Now pressure on nail A is force, that means thrust per unit area, which is 1.5 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is 0.75 10 raised to plus 6 Pascal. That means 7.5 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Any doubt in this till this? Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Great. Copy till this. Bhavya,
Yeah, sir.
send your address to me later.
No, sir, no, sir.
No. I will give you. Don't worry.
No, sir. When it is offline, then we'll have it together. When you start offline classes now.
Together, everybody. अरे दिवाली बोनस मिलना चाहिए कुछ तो.
नहीं सर, साथ में खाएंगे.
साथ में पापड़ा जिलेबी खिलाऊंगा सबको. Don't worry. In the paper, you all please check your mistakes, then work on it. Don't be tense. Mark is not at all anything. It is just acknowledgement ki how much you are retaining, not your capability of intelligence. So just see whether you lost a mark in theory or in definitions or in numerical. Work more on that. Something somebody was saying, then I spoke in between, the stop. Yes, Shri, good morning.
Sir, actually, I had forgotten about the class.
No, next time onwards, now I will get up at 7:30 and call every student. Yes, Shri, how much you scored in your school exam?
Yeah, sir.
How much you scored in the school exam?
Sir, 70.
Okay. Medansh, what is your mark? 74, na? No,
77.
77, yes. Once you are done, please tell.
Sir.
Okay, everybody is done. Shall I clear it?
Yeah.
Okay, Vedant, Devansh, everybody has completed. Kavya,
हाँ sir.
okay. Clear kar
Yes,
do?
sir, done.
Okay, second one. Block of iron of mass 7.5 kg. Iron 7.5 kg mass. And of dimension 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter into 10 centimeter. This dimension means length, breadth, height. Is kept on the table with base 12 and 8. So area which is on the table is 12 centimeter by 8 centimeter. Calculate thrust means normal force. Pressure on the table means thrust upon area. Since F thrust comma F equal to mg. M is 7.5, G is 10, equal to 75 Newton. And pressure P is force upon area, which is 75 upon 12 into 8 centimeter to meter 10 raised to minus 2, 2 times centimeter, so 10 raised to minus 4. 3 into 4 is 12, 3 into 25 is 75. So this will be equals to 25 upon 4 into 8 into 10 raised to 4. I am writing 100 into 100. 4 into 25 is 100. 4 twos are 8. 4 into 25 is 100. 25 into 25 is 625 into 25 upon 2. 625 into 25, can you multiply and tell how much it is? 25 into 5 is 125, carry 12. 25 into 2, 50 and 12 is 62, carry 6. 25 into 6, 150, carry 6, so 156 upon 2. 2 into 7, 14. Remember 1. 2 8 is 16. 2 into 1. 2 to the 4.5. This many Pascal. Okay. Hello, followed the sum?
Yes.
Okay. So,
So don't clear it, sir.
you didn't follow? Shall I explain again?
No, sir, I followed. I just need to copy it down.
Okay, got it. Got it. In school, they have completed numericals.
Yeah, sir.
That means they have completed this chapter.
Yeah, but in school they don't explain.
That is okay. But officially they have done, no?
Sir, we did the 5th chapter in school in 20 minutes.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? इतना बड़ा चैप्टर है वो फिर.
सर मैम ने बोला न्यूमेरिकल्स का वर्कशीट आ जाएगा, सब सम्स का वर्कशीट आ जाएगा, एंड सर उसमें तो पार्ट सी भी पढ़ा दिया मैम ने.
अरे वो टफ चैप्टर है, कैसा कर दिया इतना फास्ट?
ऐसे ही इट इज लाइक दैट ओनली,
बाप
ऐसे ही
रे.
बोल के.
अरे उसमें तो पहले बॉडी का सेंटर ऑफ मास बताना है, फिर फोर्सेस किधर एक्ट होता है, फिर व्हेन इट विल फ्लोट. बहुत बड़ा चैप्टर है वो तो.
मैम को लगता है हम लोग को ऑलरेडी आता है.
चलो, गुड. इट इज टीचर्स आर थिंकिंग पॉजिटिवली. ऑल आर ऑल इंटेलिजेंट.
या
Because fifth chapter is a really good chapter to be explained.
हाँ सर, बहुत मस्त चैप्टर है आर्किमिडीज.
Yeah. Archimedes was taking bath. Suddenly he found that his body is floating. Then he went running.
Eureka,
Eureka, Eureka.
We found out now that if a body displaces as much amount of water,
No, it can be any liquid. Then it experiences loss of weight.
हाँ,
Can I clear it again?
क्या सर?
Okay. With your kind permission, I am clearing this. Yes, everybody has copied.
Yeah, sir.
So, a vessel contains water up to height of 1.5 meter. Vessel contains water up to height of 1.5 meter. Taking density denoted by rho, 10 raised to 3 kg meter raised to -3. Acceleration due to gravity 9.8 meter per second square. And area of base of the vessel 100 centimeter square. Calculate the pressure and thrust at the base of the vessel. Pressure due to liquid is given by height of liquid into density of liquid into acceleration due to gravity. So 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 into 9.8. 15 into 8, 120, carry 12. 15 into 9, 135 plus 12, 147. After 2-digit decimal into 10 raised to 3. That will be 1.47 into 10 raised to 4. This much Newton meter raised to minus 2, or you can write Pascal. Also, pressure is force upon area. So force is pressure into area. Pressure 1.47 into 10 raised to 4. Area 100, that is 10 raised to 2. Centimeter square to meter square, 10 raised to minus 4. So we get 1.47 into 10 raised to 2. That means 147 Newton. Okay. Yes, Amayan, clear?
Yeah.
Medansh, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we can't give the answer in Pascal.
You can. Yes, Shivani completed. Khushbu, Shivani, Yashri.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Shall I remove? Araf?
7.
Yes, sir.
So that 10 raised to minus 4 was to conversion na, of 2 meters.
Centimeter square, 2 meters. Area we converted from centimeter square to meter square. Yes, done, na?
Yes.
Fourth numerical. Area of base of a cylindrical vessel is 300 centimeter square. That is same as 300 into 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Water has density of 1000 kg meter raised to minus 2. It is poured into it up to depth, depth means height, of 6 meter. Calculate pressure and thrust if G is to be taken as 10 meter per second square. Very simple. Pressure due to liquid is given by P equals to H rho G. H is 6 meter, density 10 raised to 3, G is 10. So 6 into 10 raised to 3, G is 10. Height is 6 centimeter, sorry, centimeter. So 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. This will become 6 into 10 raised to 3 and 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, equal to 600 Pascal. Also, pressure is thrust upon area. So thrust will be P into area. So F equals to 600, area 300 into 10 raised to minus 4. 6 into 3, 18, and this is 10 raised to 4 into minus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4 will be no more. 18 Newton is the answer. 18 Newton.
Done, sir.
Okay. Fifth, calculate height of water column. Calculate height of water column, that means H, which will exert on its base same pressure as 70 centimeter of mercury column. Height of water column HW, which will exert same pressure as 70 centimeter of mercury. So height of mercury is Hg, 70 centimeter. Density of mercury rho Hg is 13.6 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. All are in CGS so far. Density of mercury 13.6. Will the height of water column in part A change if cross-section area of water column is made wider? Okay, that is theoretical. Water column density they have not given. You should know density of water in CGS is 1 gram centimeter minus cube. According to given condition, pressure exerted by water is same as pressure by 70 centimeter of mercury. So height of water, density of water into G is height of mercury, density of mercury into G. Both sides G we can cancel. So height of water is height of mercury 13.6, density of height of mercury 70, density 13.6 upon density of water, which is 1. The density of mercury, height 70, density 13.6 upon water 1. So height of water equals to 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 3, 21 and 4, 25, 7 into 1, 7, so 2, 9. That means it is 9, 5, 2 in centimeter, which we can write 9.52 meter. Height of water column to give same pressure is 9.52 meter, whereas mercury was 0.7 meter. That's why we don't use water to measure the pressure, because its height increases 13.6 times as compared to that of mercury. Now, by increasing area, pressure does not changes in liquid column, because it depends upon height, density, acceleration due to gravity, but not on area for liquid column. Copy 5th also.
But height of water column in a part will become wider, na?
Height is not width, na? Height is vertical distance.
Sorry, height will decrease, na? If the cross section is made wider.
Height depends upon density of liquid, no, it is lighter.
Sir, but if you put a same liquid,
Suppose I take on one side a person who is just a small boy, and other weighing balance a heavy man, then 2-3 boys will balance that, no?
yeah,
So this we are talking about, pressure is same, but density of mercury is heavier, so small height will give same weight at the base. Pressure depends upon that thrust is weight.
no, sir. What I'm asking is, Sir, because we are increasing the area of surface, so like if we put the same water in a water bottle, it has a lot of height than we put it into a plate, right?
So that's what, so that means its corresponding force and area both decreases. That is ratio, no, force upon area.
So we
When
don't
you-
have to
When you
so we
increase
have to increase
area,
the
that means
water.
numerator also increases. Pressure remains constant. It is independent of area.
Sir, but then for having no change, we have to put more water, right?
For
If
having
the area of cross section is made wider, then more water has to be put na to make the pressure equal as before.
no, you are getting confused with two terms. If area becomes wider, they have asked, will there be change in cross section of water column? Will the height of water column change? If it is made wider, then we require more height. Area is made wider. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
What is pressure formula? H rho G. Correct.
Yeah.
Anywhere you can
Sure.
see area? No, na?
No, sir.
So when you increase area, water is also increased. That means that force upon area remains same, not 12.
Yeah.
That's why it is maintains at same height. If pressure is 10, so I require force 10, area suppose 1. When you increase area to 2, then force becomes 20 because on that same more water is there, na? Height is the same. That's why it is remaining same. Like say for example here, this I make wider. Okay. Now here weight due to this height is 10 and this area is 1. Now area becomes double. So for this water is also becoming double, na? 10 10 for same height. So 20 upon 2, 10 upon 1 is matching, you know.
Yeah, sir.
So fifth done. Can I clear it? Shamit, your doubt got cleared?
Yeah, sir.
When area is becoming double, quantity is also becoming double for same height. Therefore, ratio of that force upon area is remaining unchanged.
Yeah. That's why if we fill a swimming pool, say make if we put a mug and fill till the full nahin,
Mug up to same height of that swimming pool liquid. Then pressure
इतना
will be
height तो possible नहीं है.
हाँ, but ऐसा कर दिया तो pressure same है.
हाँ, pressure same है.
So shall I clear fifth one? Everybody is done.
Yes.
Come to sixth. The pressure of water on the ground floor is 40,000. Pressure on the ground is 40,000 Pascal. And on the first floor, 10,000 Pascal. Find the height of first floor. Density of water is 1000 kg meter raised to -3. And G is equal to 10 meter per second square. See, this is ground floor. So pressure is exerted on the ground this whole. This much. And on the first floor, this is ground. From top to the bottom, how much is height? I don't know, but total pressure is PG. But when I come on the first floor, then pressure due to this first floor is 10,000. So this is first floor ka pressure. What is height of first floor? So ground floor, if height I take from this top, this is imagine top to the ground. So this is total height. Let us take hg, and this height is from top. This is liquid now, from the top is h1 due to this height. So difference of the pressure will give me this remaining height. Now followed. Suppose this is liquid full. Then this is the pressure due to height from the top to the ground. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
When I move up,
Yes.
then this upper wala will give me pressure on the first floor.
Yeah.
दोनों का जो डिफरेंस होएगा इसका प्रेशर है ना, ये हाइट वाले का
Hmm.
नहीं समझ में आया. इतना हाइट ये
समझा
पूरे ने
समझा.
प्रेशर दिया, ये फिर पी वाला इधर तक प्रेशर दिया, जो दोनों में फर्क है वो इतना देगा ना प्रेशर. नहीं समझा?
Understood.
Yes, everybody is followed. Devansh, Vedansh, Medhansh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Pressure is from top. So from top to the ground is one height. From top to the first floor, one height. दोनों का फर्क is ground to the first floor हो गया ना? Not cleared?
समझा sir.
Okay. So I can say pressure due to water from top to the ground minus pressure from top to the first floor is nothing but height of the first floor due to water into rho into g. Let h be height of first floor. Height is measured from ground, not from the top. And pressure is measured from the top. So from top to the bottom is pressure due to ground. Height is suppose hd. And from top to this is suppose h1. अभी hg h1 का डिफरेंस करेंगे तो ये मिल गया ना हम लोग को बीच में ये हाइट. क्लियर? हेलो, आई थिंक देयर इज सम
Sir.
No sir, clear.
क्लियर ना? So
Sir, I
this is,
solved the sum.
yeah, 1 minute. This is 40,000 minus 10,000 equals to height of the first floor into G 1,000. H is rho is 1,000 into 10. So this is nothing but 30,000 equals to H into 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000. So I can cancel this 4 zeros. H equals to 3 meters. Okay. Very, very important sum. Anybody who has not followed, please tell.
Followed.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Others have also done.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Come to seventh one.
7 minutes ago.
Okay. Now can I clear it?
No, sir. So just one.
Still writing? Chalo, clearing, huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
7. A simple U-tube contains mercury to same level in both of its arms. This is U-tube. It is containing mercury up to same level. Contains mercury up to the same level in both the arms. In both the arms. Can you tell what is pressure acting from the top?
Atmospheric pressure.
Atmospheric pressure. Both sides same pressure, therefore they are maintaining their height. तो इधर से जितना प्रेस किया उतना ही इधर कर दिया. If water is poured to height of 13.6 in one arm, water is poured in one arm, what will happen then? Pressure on the left side. Due to this water, it will increase, na? Earlier it is atmospheric, now plus water. So due to which this mercury will rise in the other side. Okay. This is applying additional pressure. So there will be rise, na? Here.
Yeah, sir.
So we want what is that mercury level rising in the other arm. So can I say pressure due to water is transmitted to the mercury?
Yeah, sir.
So pressure due to water is equals to pressure passed to the mercury. So height of water, density of water into G will be height of mercury into density of mercury into G. Gg I can cancel. This is 13.6, water density 1, height of mercury we want, density of mercury 13.6 in CGS. This will get cancelled. So 1 equals to height of mercury, therefore rise in mercury level equals to 1 centimeter. I hope you follow the concept properly. Everybody has followed? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay, so that's all for today. Wish you happy Diwali. Enjoy it well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.